update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and was hovering around the 20-day simple moving average. However, once it on the hourly basis it closed below the 20-day simple moving average, the selling pressure did not really stop, and it continued throughout the day. And the Nifty ended the day with an 109 point cut in today's trading session. Today we saw broad-based selling, which is evident from the fact that the market was pretty worse, with only 237 advances to 1,338 declines. The mid-cap index was down by 3.6% and the small-cap index was down by 3.8% in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, a couple of stocks like Infosys, ITC, Dr. Reddy managed to close with minor gains. On the flip side, Reliance, ICICI Bank, HDFC Limited, Tata Motors, L&T were some of the big losers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed below the crucial support of the 20-day simple moving average. The daily momentum indicator is having a negative crossover. In today's trading session, since we have closed below the crucial support and the daily momentum indicator is on the sell side, and the broad-based selling that we saw today, which was not evident until yesterday, has forced us to change the short-term trend to negative. We are expecting a correction on the downside to continue till 77.80. 77.80 is a 61.8% retracement level of the rise which we have seen from the August lows. That is around this area. August 8 we saw a low, and 9th of or 8th of September we saw a high. So considering these 2 points, we have taken a retracement level which comes to around 77.80, which is a 61.8% retracement level. So we expect the correction to continue up till 77.80 on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. It is forming lower tops and lower bottoms on the hourly chart. There is no real sign of bounce back at this point of time. The bounce which we got a few days back or day before yesterday was sold into, and the Nifty was not showing any signs of recovery. Today we expected the Nifty to show some kind of resilience, or show some kind of strength around that 20-day simple moving average. However, once on the hourly basis we saw a closing below that, the stocks just fell off, and that has resulted into the sharp fall in Nifty as well. We expect the selling pressure on the downside to continue, so every rise should be sold into, and the strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on every rises. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly has closed with losses in trade today. Heavyweights like ICICI Bank gave off in trade today. So as a result of that, the Bank Nifty also has closed weak today. It is trading around that 20-day simple moving average. However, we feel that the Bank Nifty might also correct along with Nifty, and hence the trend for Bank Nifty also should be negative from here onwards. We expect lower levels in Bank Nifty. On the downside, 15,790 and 15,500 shall act as crucial supports. On the upside, 16,000, which is the psychological level, and 16,170 shall be acting as crucial resistances. The strategy to play Bank Nifty as well should be to sell on every rises. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty has changed to negative. We expect levels of 77.80 on the downside, whereas the reversal will be placed at 8078 on the upside. The strategy to play Nifty should be, and Bank Nifty the strategy to play Nifty and Bank Nifty should be to sell on every rises. That's all for today.